Guess we'll do another catch-up video since I haven't done any repair videos lately. Today is Sunday, April, what is it? I think it's the 6th, if I remember right. Anyway, it's cold out, it's rainy, we've had some flooding in the St. Louis area, and as you can see, there's a lot of green coming up through the rock. I can't spray that till things dry out a little bit. But I'm getting ready for the spring. I'm getting ready for my planting. I've got all these plants and seeds in every south exposure window that I have. It's full of plants. There's a few here that I bought because the seeds I had didn't do anything, so I had to go to a nursery and buy some. Little brake job on this little car here, just changing the rotors and the brake pads. No biggie, just a quickie. This lawnmower is sitting over here. It should be behind the old house over there, but I can't keep it over there right now. This is what happened behind the old house where I was keeping that lawnmower. We got it out of there, but of course I can't do anything about this until winter is over. And the whole street was underwater a few days ago with the rain. If it wasn't for the mailboxes, you wouldn't know where to find the driveways, and you'd end up in the ditch. Brought some plumbing supplies over here to the old house. I've got to replace all of the plumbing because I forgot to turn on some extra heaters over here when we had some 0-degree weather coming. And well, I came in here about a week or so after that cold snap we had, and the water was just spraying in here. I got an almost $1,700 water bill. So I've got to replace all the plumbing in here. I hear the furnace running in here, and I got the temperature thermostat set at 50, so it's just barely holding 50 in here when the furnace is running. So it's colder than that outside. I think it's 40 outside today. I don't know why people say March is when the winter's over and it starts getting warm. It's not true. I mean, there's a few warm days in March, but we're not out of it until really the end of April. This box here was sent to me a couple months ago, and I haven't had a chance. I've been working too much, a lot of overtime. Work was very slow for a long time, and then all of a sudden there's overtime, and then after the overtime was over, I got stuck on a regular job where I have to be there like before daylight every morning and stay until, well, middle to late afternoon. Anyway, this box is it's a plasma cutter, and I need to get this opened up and do a review video on that. It's not a high dollar one, it's a cheap one, but it's look here, it's supposed to run on both 110 and 220. So anyway, we'll get into that as soon as I can. And here's something else I might do a video on. I got this at Harbor Freight, a little welding table that comes with all the clamps and stuff to mount stuff on the table for welding. Probably do a little video on that. Every vehicle I own needs something done on it. This motorcycle, I have a master cylinder repair kit for the back brakes, but the master cylinder is hard to get to on this motorcycle, but it is something I need to do. I'd like to sell the thing, but I don't want to sell it with needing that. The kit's here, I just never put it in, you know, because you got to pump the back brakes up a little bit before they start to work good. After you pump it up, it works pretty regular while you're driving it, but after you park it for a few days, you have to pump it up again to get it going, and you got to step on it regardless just a little bit farther than what it should have to. This little pickup here, the check engine light came on, and I put a scanner on it, and it says it's a O2 sensor, so got to do that. The Ford dually, the white Ford dually, that diesel, I got a lot of body work I want to do on that, and there's still some issues with the motor that I haven't got ironed out yet. The Jeep, the exhaust system went bad right before winter started, or right as winter was starting, and I just drive it that way. So also I want to pull the head and change the lifters and the rocker arms and push rods on it. The green dually, it's good now. It's got a battery drain issue if I leave the brake controller plugged in, and it shouldn't be that way. So I want to look into that brake controller and find out why it's draining the battery, but it's unplugged right now, so we'll start up and run right now. I don't know what other vehicles I got here. I think that's pretty much everything that's lined up for me to get started on when we get a break in the weather, things start drying up and warming up. Well, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.